Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and for today we're going to discuss about how to create your first automation. So first off, you need to be inside your account or your location where you will be creating your automation. And then on the left side, just look for the automation tab right below marketing. So click on that and it will show you the workflow list. So if ever that you've already created your workflows, then it will show on this list. But let's just say that you'd rather arrange your workflows in a way so that you know that these sets of workflows is for a specific campaign. Then you can just go ahead and create folder first before you create the workflow. So at least it's in an orderly manner and it's easier for you to determine which workflows are for which campaigns. So alright, let's go ahead and create our first workflow. So all we have to do is to click on this button and then you can either pick a template to start or you can always start from scratch. So for this example, let's go ahead and start from scratch. So just click on continue. So as you can see here on the upper part, you'll see the name of the workflow. So this is where you'll be editing the name of your workflow. For example, this could be a database reactivation. So something like that. So make sure that you name your workflow accordingly because it's easier for you to find the workflow after. And then it will ask you to add a new workflow trigger. So what is a workflow trigger? The workflow trigger is the main thing that will activate all the actions that you have for a workflow. So it's more of like the key to everything. It actually is the ignition switch that would start the engine, which is your workflow. So let's click on that and let's see. So for this example, let's just say that someone booked an appointment. So as you can see here, we do have filters. So you have to check on the filter so you know how to be more specific. So just like for this trigger, the system is going to ask you, so is it inside the calendar or is it inside the calendar group? Because if you just chose customer booked appointment, it will be triggered by any booked appointment in the system. So regardless of the calendar. So you have to be specific. Let's say that in calendar, and then you select the calendar. So let's just say consultation calendar. So you do have the option as well. So if the user is, you can also choose a custom field, something like that. So once you're done, you can just save the trigger and then you can add your set of actions. So let's just say that someone booked an appointment on your calendar. So of course, you'll be sending them an email. So as you can see here, you can edit this action. It could be coming from this email, and then the subject will be thanks for booking with us, or this confirms your appointment, and then you can add a specific body of message. So you can add custom values as well. So for example, hi, and then the contact's name, it could be the full name or first name or last name. So let's just use their first name. Thank you for booking with us. And then you can also add like specifically their appointments time and date. So you can use these custom values for appointment. So after that, you can go ahead and save the action, and then you can add the next set of actions. So depending on the type of workflow that you're doing, then you can add a set of actions. So once you've done that, all you have to do is to make sure that it's published, because the workflow won't work if it's not published. And always make sure that you save once you're done adding anything in the workflow. Alright, so that's basically it. That's how you create your first workflow. And again, if you have any other questions or specific questions about workflows, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.